Welcome to Hair Rules. I don't know if you've ever been to Hair Rules, but we're in Hell's Kitchen, and we're on the 3rd floor on 9th Avenue, and between 54th and 55th, across from Alvin Ailey. And come on in. Welcome to our hair sanctuary in the sky. This is our new space from, we're one flight up from our old space downstairs, which was 2,000 square feet versus 900 square feet. So it's a much smaller version of what you are used to or what you've been experienced in the past. And this is just for myself and my colorist and our trusty assistants. When you come in, it's very homey. This is our waiting area. There's Susan. Susan was in the Hair Rules book. She's a good friend of mine. And I thought only made more sense to put somebody with a black woman with wet hair so you can see the lovely benefit. This picture here is of Khalees when we chopped her hair off. This area is, any of you ever saw Players Club? When our assistants see somebody on the couch, woo, time to get up. We don't keep people waiting. And it looks very reminiscent of our old salon, which is downstairs for 13 years. So yeah, it's a very modest, comfortable studio. These are our moneymaker dryers. We've got the fastest dryers in the world. Everybody's seen the photo of the girls under the hood. For anybody who's had a salon and put up that photo, this is the actual photo shot by Ellen Von Unworth. And I don't remember all the girls, that we do have Brandy is on the right-hand side, but I thought this was the most fitting photo for over our dryers Stop Crimes Against Hair. Our 6 station versus 13 that we had downstairs. Again, because there's only myself, I don't have to manage a staff of bad behavior anymore. I just have to manage my behavior. This is my business partner, BFF Car Young, with Dennis Hopper back in the day. So these are all photos of work that I've done, worked on. This is a sort of a Khalees and Nas for, I think it was Glamour Magazine, back when Glamour Magazine was in print. This is our quick in and out trusty check-in station. So this is a photo of Life Ball, I think it was Gautier, in 2015, an homage to texture. And this is a table that we just put here because of the podcast that I'm doing called Who's in My Chair? And in the meantime, we have clients that can sit here in between color services. And I found these really great classic ebony magazine covers up on Columbia University on the street that I thought were so reminiscent of the world that I recall of beauty. And I'll take you to the washroom. Oh, and there's my friend Anna DeVere Smith. My little homage to her, right smack dab in the middle. I love this photo. It was from an artist that I met in Brooklyn who sent me the print. It's of somebody in some village put water in their beautiful hair. And this is our mini washroom. We didn't need this big drawn out design thing, so I just wanted people to look up at something. And that's about it. There's not a lot to show, but I just want to give you guys a little taste of what Hair Rules was once you get up those stairs, and hope that you come visit us one day, and so that all your hair days are good hair days. Thanks for coming. Bye.